Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're gonna see if we can get a sale with Perpetual Income using my lead gen secrets. All right. So, as you know, I was on the third day a while ago. I haven't made a sale. I haven't really been using clickbank much. So we still gonna go back to it. But so far, the last 3 days on Perpetual, the 3 days I did promote Perpetual Income, I did not get a sale. So we're gonna continue trying to do that until we run out of their emails. So let's just go ahead and get on to that. Let's find Perpetual Income, click on Marketplace, go to e-business, e-marketing, and then you can just go to Gravity here. Now, if you want to make money for sure, I would try either this product here or Writer app right here. These two products does really well with my lead gen secret, so that's the ones I'd try if I was trying to make money seriously. For you guys to build up an income that you can like live off of, that's what I'd try. But we just trying Perpetual Income here. Give it a fair shake and see how it does. So far, no sales, but we're gonna keep on trying. All right, so we're gonna click on Perpetual Income. We're gonna look and see here. Where are the emails? Okay, we're gonna click here as you already registered. Just even if you haven't, just click there. Then we're gonna go with, now they saying brand new 2021 swipes. Let's click on these. Now, which one is on sent? I think we got like, how many we got? I think we got like 3 more left or something like that. Yeah, we'll go with it. So we're gonna go with okay. So are you in out? All right, so we're gonna use this email here. If you don't know about my lead gen secrets, it's basically a platform which you get 100 leads every single day, adding up. So you're finally at like 30,000 leads a day. You can email every day or something like that. So anyway, we're gonna just go to the mailing system. We're gonna hit select all, hit paste. Okay, so are you in or out? I'm gonna get here. See if I can get away with that. But anyway, we're gonna keep here. We're gonna do this. What we want to do now is get the email itself. So go to it here. Yes, I know they're not gonna let me send an email through there. Okay. Yours truly, you could pick your name, you could pick somebody else's name, it don't matter. You pick whatever you want. What are yours truly part? So where it say pick the link? I'm assuming right here. And also here. Okay. So we're just gonna go here, get our links here. Let's see. Let's try this one. $47 per month. LGS1. So, and spell. It don't really matter what link you use. Just use one. For the most part. I mean, it does matter to a certain degree, but there's no way to tell when you just started, you know, and you ain't never gotten a sale with the product before. So it doesn't matter what link you use at this point. Once you can when you test the links out, see which one get more sales. Then you can say, okay, this one getting more sales, so we'll use this one from now on. But we'll just stick to this one here. We'll just stick to the one, just use whichever one you want. When it comes to links, okay, this looks pretty good. We're just gonna stick to that. I'm gonna look at the preview, make sure the links work. Click on it like that. All right. Yeah, that link works. That link works. Okay, they both work. So we're gonna send off the email right now. Boom. Okay, the emoji was, get rid of the emoji basically. I think, did I get rid of the emoji in here? Oh, this the one they probably wanted me to get rid of. Okay, let's pick this one back up here. Let's see if it works. Please remove the emoji from your subject. Okay. We're gonna put an emoji. Let's put a male. I know check marks work. Let's put male. Certain emojis do work. I don't know why. Do. Go back here. Email. Hey, that emoji doesn't work. This here. I think this one. Plus it's colorful. Catches the eye. Good one. Come on, let's get it to work. Paste. Pretty sure that one works. Yeah, that one works. Alright, and there you go, guys. Sending off the 4th, 5th email. I'm not even sure. But oh, okay. So we gotta wait another full 24 hours before we can send another email, guys. And we're gonna see if we can get a sale with Perpetual Income 365. Also, you know, all the links are gonna be in the description if you want to do this as well. Plus, there's a $20 offer. I want to speak on Saving Highway Global here, in which you can build up your income with your sales. It's much better than clickbank because you're building up income when you get a sale. You got that guy possibly for the rest of your life making money off of that person, as long as they stay in the system. And the way it's made is that when they get in the system, they save money on their bills and stuff, so there's no reason for them to leave the system. So that's the idea. So with Saving Highway Global, I have a link in the description for that as well. You can start that with just $20 if you want to, and you can build up your own income. I have not seen a cheaper way to build up income on the internet that reliably works than Saving Highway Global here. I currently got six recruits in. I'm making maybe around about $90, $85, $90 a month, just off 6 people. So it works. It works. There's no reason for me to leave because I make more money staying in it, you know, at this point. So the same thing will happen to you. Plus, we help you get your first few sales, so there's no reason to leave. So anyway, yeah, that's all I want to say. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and now hit that notification bell as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. All right.